The figure trapped in the installation is about the exploitation of labour through agricultural supply chains, which is quite endemic across Europe and indeed in South America.
Any business that is providing a service and making a product should be looking at the labour that they hire and how it's produced, their recruitment practices.
The ILO estimates that 25 million people are probably trapped in forced labour. In the UK, we think around 13,000 people. So this is a significant problem.
We're looking at very vulnerable people that can be quite isolated, that may be working 15 hours a day, 24/7, may have had their ID documents confiscated and maybe in a situation of debt bondage. There are gangmasters that are recruiting them and putting them into legitimate businesses and then exploiting them for their labour.
Really what we're doing is drawing attention to this issue. We're asking people to join our online campaign, #BreakTheChain, which is all about consumer choice, putting pressure on business to comply with the moral obligation and the legal obligation under the Modern Slavery Act to eradicate slavery from the supply chain.